Welcome students. Today we will be doing the numericals on the Newton's second law of motion. In the last class we have discussed the Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force in the direction of force. It is directly proportional, and we have derived the formula, and we have got the formula F equals to mv minus u upon t, or we can write F equals to ma. Now in this question it is given a constant force acts on an object of mass 5 kg. Answer in the question, the given is mass is 5 kg and it acts for a duration of 2 seconds. Force acts for a duration of 2 seconds. Time is 2 seconds here. It increases the object velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. That means the initial velocity was 3 meter and final velocity was 7 meter. So initial velocity is 3 meter per second and the final velocity is 7 meter per second. Now we have to find the magnitude of the applied force. We can use this formula F is equals to m v minus u upon t. We can use F equals to ma also, but we can use this also, F equals to m v minus u upon t. So F is equals to m, mass is 5 kg, final velocity is 7 meter per second, initial velocity is 3 meter per second, and time is 2 seconds. So let us solve this. So it becomes 5 into 4 upon 2, and that is equals to, we'll cancel this, and the force is 10 Newton. Now also we have to find the magnitude of the applied force. Now the force acting is 10 Newton. Now one more question is asked. Now if the force was applied for a duration of 5 seconds. Now they are saying that this is the case second, this is the case second, this was the case first. Now here the time duration is now 5 seconds. So mass will be same, that is 5 kg. The force will be same, that is 10 Newton that we have calculated here. And initial velocity is 3 meter per second. 3 meter per second. And now time duration. Now time duration is 5 seconds. T is equals to 5 seconds. And we have to find what is the final velocity of the object in this case. Now apply the formula F is equals to m v minus u upon t. What is F? That is given in the 10 Newton. M 5. Final velocity we have to find. And u is 3. And time is 5 seconds. Now in this earlier the time was 2 seconds. Now the time is 5 seconds. 10 5 is 50 is equals to 5v 50, and we can cross multiply this down 5. So it becomes v minus 3, this will cancel, this become 10. So 10, transpose this 3 this side, 10 plus 3 is equals to v. So final velocity is 13 meter per second. When the force will act for 5 seconds, the final velocity will be 13 meter per second. Now let us take second question, which would require a greater force accelerating a 2 kg mass at 2 meter per second, 5 meter per second square, or a 4 kg mass at 2 meter per second square. So there are two cases here. So this is the case first and this is the case second. In the case first, mass is 2 kg and in the case acceleration is 5 meter per second square. And here in the second case, mass is 4 kg and acceleration is 2 meter per second square. We have to find which will require greater force. Now we know the formula F is equals to ma according to Newton's second law of motion. So F is equals to m. What is m? 2 here, and a is 5 meter per second square. So F is equals to 10 Newton. Now in this case, F is equals to, again the formula is ma. So F is equals to 4 into acceleration is 2. So F is equals to 8 Newton. As you can see here, in this case, the greater force will be required. So, a 2 kg mass at acceleration to 5 meter per second square will require a greater force.